you ever wondered how to become a successful YouTuber in Ethiopia? Well, let's embark on this exciting journey together. YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform, has been carving out its niche in Ethiopia, and the potential for success is immense. This platform is rapidly gaining popularity, becoming an integral part of the digital landscape in Ethiopia. With the rise of the internet, more and more Ethiopians are embracing YouTube as a source of education, entertainment, and inspiration. This growth opens up a world of opportunity for aspiring YouTubers. Imagine a platform where you can share your unique perspectives, engage with a global audience, and potentially turn your passion into a profitable endeavor. That's the power of YouTube. It's a place where anyone, regardless of their background or experiences, can make an impact. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to start your own successful YouTube channel in Ethiopia. So buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. The first step to YouTube success revolves around identifying your content niche. Let's dive into it. The importance of choosing a specific content niche cannot be overstated. A niche is like your own little corner of the vast YouTube universe. It's where you plant your flag, proclaim your expertise, and build your audience. But how do you identify your niche? Well, it's a blend of three key elements: personal interests, market demand, and a unique value proposition. Let's break these down. First, personal interests. This is crucial. You need to be passionate about your content because that passion will fuel your creativity and keep you motivated. Whether you're into gaming, fashion, tech, or cooking, your niche should be something you genuinely enjoy and are knowledgeable about. Secondly, let's talk about market demand. Just because you love a subject doesn't necessarily mean there's an audience for it. You need to understand what people are searching for, what they're interested in, and where there's a gap you can fill. A simple way to gauge this is by using YouTube's search bar to see what's trending, or by tapping into Google Trends to identify popular topics. And finally, the unique value proposition. This is your secret sauce, the thing that sets you apart from other YouTubers in your niche. Maybe it's your unique perspective, your humor, your extraordinary skills, or your ability to explain complex topics in a simple way. Whatever it is, identify it and use it to your advantage. So identify your niche by blending your passion with market demand and your unique value proposition. It's like a recipe for success. No one else will have the exact same mix of ingredients. Doing this is not an overnight job. It might take some experimentation and tweaking, but it's worth the effort. A well-chosen niche can be the difference between a channel that gets lost in the crowd and one that stands out and attracts a dedicated audience. Remember, a well-defined niche can set your channel apart from others and attract a dedicated audience. Now that you have a niche, it's crucial to understand how YouTube's algorithm works. Imagine YouTube's algorithm as a matchmaker. It's the entity that decides which videos to show to which viewers. The algorithm's primary goal is to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible. To achieve this, it recommends videos that it believes viewers will enjoy and engage with. Now you might be wondering, how does the algorithm determine which videos viewers will like? The answer lies in three key factors: watch time, engagement, and upload frequency. Firstly, watch time. The longer viewers watch your videos, the more YouTube interprets this as a sign of quality content. This is why you often see longer videos being recommended. If viewers are watching your content for extended periods, the algorithm takes this as a sign that your video is engaging and worth recommending to others. Next comes engagement. This includes likes, comments, shares, and even the number of times your video has been added to a watch later playlist. The more engagement your video receives, the better. It sends a signal to the algorithm that your video is resonating with viewers, prompting it to recommend your video to more people. Finally, upload frequency. Consistency is key on YouTube. Uploading regularly tells the algorithm that you're an active creator. This can help your videos gain momentum on the platform. But remember, it's not just about quantity. Quality should never be compromised for the sake of consistency. It's also worth noting that the algorithm is constantly learning and adapting. It's not a static entity. This means that what works today might not work tomorrow, so It's essential to keep up with YouTube's updates and changes. Remember, the algorithm is not your enemy. It's a tool that, when understood and utilized effectively, can drastically enhance your channel's visibility and growth. Mastering the YouTube algorithm can drastically increase your channel's visibility and subscriber count. Content is king, so how do you create content that keeps your audience coming back for more? The secret lies in creating high-quality, engaging content. Now, what does that mean? High-quality content isn't solely about glossy visuals or pristine audio. Rather, it's about the substance, the value you're offering to your viewers. Is your content informative, entertaining, or inspiring? Does it answer a question, solve a problem, or evoke an emotion? This is what determines the quality of your content. Let's dive into some tips to help you create engaging content. First up, storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful tool. It's how we've been passing on knowledge and captivating audiences since the dawn of time. To tell a compelling story, there's a simple formula you can follow. Set up a scenario, introduce a problem, then present a resolution. This structure keeps your viewers hooked, as they'll be eager to see how the story unfolds. Next, let's talk about editing. Good editing can elevate your content from ordinary to extraordinary. It helps you deliver your message in a clear, concise, and engaging way. Don't be afraid to cut out unnecessary parts, add relevant graphics, or use transitions to keep the video flowing smoothly. Remember, your editing should enhance your storytelling, not distract from it. Lastly, we have audience engagement. Engaging with your audience isn't just about responding to comments. It's about understanding what they want to see, what they enjoy, and what they value. Use your analytics to see which videos get the most engagement and why. Then, use this information to create more of what your audience loves. Remember, creating engaging content isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. It involves experimenting, learning, adapting, and constantly striving to offer more value to your viewers. So, there you have it. A few tips to help you create engaging, high-quality content. Remember, content isn't just about what you want to say, it's about what your audience wants to hear and how you make them feel. Creating engaging content consistently is the key to building a loyal audience. Now let's optimize your YouTube channel for success. To start, consider your channel's layout. It's the first thing viewers see when they land on your channel, and you want to make a strong impression. Think of your layout as a virtual storefront. It needs to be attractive, inviting, and give a hint of what your content is about. Customize your channel art and logo to align with your brand and content. Use playlists to organize your videos and make it easy for viewers to navigate your content. Next, let's talk about your channel description. This is a fantastic opportunity to tell potential subscribers what your channel is all about. What kind of content do you create? What can viewers expect to see? Make it compelling, engaging, and don't forget to include your upload schedule if you have one. Just like your layout, your channel description should give viewers a reason to stick around. Now, onto video titles and descriptions. These are more than just labels for your content. They're opportunities to use keywords that can help your videos show up in search results. Make your titles catchy but also clear and concise. Include the most relevant keywords towards the beginning of your titles and descriptions for maximum impact. Lastly, let's delve into YouTube analytics. This tool is your best friend when it comes to understanding your channel's performance. It shows you what's working and what's not, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. For example, you can see which videos have the most views, where your viewers are coming from, and even what times they're most likely to watch your content. Use this information to fine-tune your content and upload schedule. To sum it up, optimizing your channel involves creating an attractive layout, writing a compelling description, using keyword-rich titles and descriptions for your videos, and utilizing YouTube analytics to refine your strategy. Optimizing your channel and using analytics can help you reach your target audience and increase your channel's growth. Finally, let's talk about the importance of consistency and community engagement. Just like in any relationship, trust is key when it comes to your YouTube audience. Regular uploads are a surefire way to build this trust. Think of it as meeting a friend for coffee every Friday. It becomes a part of your routine, something you look forward to. Your audience will come to expect and anticipate your content in the same way. But consistency isn't just about frequency, it's about maintaining the quality of your content too. A rushed video just to meet a deadline won't do you any favors. Quality will always trump quantity. Now let's not forget about community engagement. Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued. Reply to their comments, interact on social media, show them you care about their input. This will not only build a loyal audience, but also a community around your content. Remember, consistency and community engagement are as important as creating great content.